Sweet cherry tree in hardiness zone of 10 to 11 at growplants.org. So I have two kinds of garden. One, it's in hardiness zone between 10 to 11, and the other one it's between 6 to 7. So I have in both of them cherry tree. One of them it's grow well in 6 to 7. So today we'll talk about the 10 to 11, and soon I will do a video for 10 for 6 to 7. So cherry tree require chilling hours or at least cold winter. So it means that here not every year I get fruits, and not every time that I get fruits I have a lot, like in this video. So in order to have more fruits, I play with the cold. So the location is very important. First, I put it in a location that exposed to a lot of winds. I know it's the opposite than in cold climate. So winds, good location for winds will be the great idea. Another thing that I would check, moisture in the soil, very important. And the last thing about the location and the moisture in the soil connection to the amount of sun that it get. I won't grow it in full sun. I know it grow better in full sun, but it actually doesn't really bloom well here in a full sun. It's a tricks. And if I have a hot winter, I discover that I would like to put ice a little bit. I take the coldest days in the year and I add some ice, and I add a really huge amount of ice. But this is just in hot winters. But if I have cooler winters, like it's a hardiness zone of 10, it will bear fruits. I don't say that you will have amazing amount of fruits, but it can grow. So major problems that you have when you grow, except the problem of the fruits, cherry tree grow better in full sun. You need to use a big amount of water, especially in the hot summer days, because it's very hot here. So I don't want that the tree will burn, and I want to enjoy from the fruits also in the future. Another thing that I would consider to keep the tree small, very important. It's easier to manage, and it's easier to freeze it a little bit in the winter. Except this fertilizer, of course, like every other cherry. And some years I even cover it against fruit fly and other pests, because I don't have a lot of fruits, I cannot share it with other animal. Except this, I prune it every autumn. I take all the leaves down. The leaves supposed to go down in a cold climate area, but here some years I need a little bit help. So if I don't see the leaves falling down, I start with ice, and this is my methods to see that the tree get enough chilling hours. Of course, it's with add-on of ice. Uh, Except this, I know that cultivar Stella grow very well in my area here. I would say that you should consider that you won't have fruits every year, but the Stella again, it's not amazing here like in my chilling frost and everything and snow that we don't have here. Snow in my other garden, we have everything. So that's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course like this video. Hope you enjoy.